Oh, hi there. You have a minute? Because I'd like to discuss something that you might find very interesting. But wait, you might say. Doesn't this handsome devil know that our civilization is about to collapse? Oh yes, look where I'm sitting. But now that we're all cooked up in our underground bunkers hoarding stacks of cans, one thing is certain. There's never been a better time for online retailers. And this, my friend, can present a unique opportunity for you. Yes, you. How? Through the power of affiliate marketing. Because even in the post-apocalyptic wasteland, people would need to know where to get their favorite brands of toilet paper and shotgun shells. And online retailers would gladly cut in anyone who would bring them new customers, which would be you. Okay, sounds good, but how does this work in practice? Something like this. First, you register on MyLead and choose one of a few thousand products and offers that you want to promote. Then you generate your own affiliate links and start advertising. Facebook, Instagram, your website, blog or forum, your friends. If you can put a link in it, it'll work. And every time someone clicks one of these links, you get a nice juicy payout. More clients, more money. And the best part, you can do it from the comfort and safety of your own couch. Because, let's be honest, it's all going to be an irradiated wasteland in a few months anyway. And if the world doesn't end, MyLead is still a hell of an opportunity. Life's too short to live somebody else's dream, so don't squander it.